Standard 10th, Subject Maths 2, Chapter number 3, Circles. Students, today we are going to learn the concept of touching circles. Let us take one activity. Now in this activity we will draw different types of circles. Now you will find the different circles drawn here. Now see the first figure. In the first diagram you will see the circles are drawn. Now the circles are drawn in the distance here. Can you find any common points? There is no common point. In second figure you will find two common points. Both the circles are intersecting. In the third figure you will find one and only one common point which are touching each other internally and externally. So there this single common points you can see. Now let us see one is touching internally and the other one externally. So what could be the definition of this? So students, we will see the definition of this touching circles or tangent circles. So touching circles. Given two circles in a plane are said to be touching circle or tangent circle if they have one and only one common point. Internally touching circle. In two circles touch each other, one another circle is in interior of the other circle, then the circle are internally touching circle. If one circle is in the exterior of the other circle, then the circles are externally touching each other. So students, we have seen the definition of this internally and externally touching circles. Now let us see the theorem on touching circle. Theorem. Here we'll see if two circles are touching circles, then the point of contact of these two circles lie on the line joining their centers. Given two circles with center A and B touch in point C. Point C is point of contact. To prove point C lies on the line AB. Proof. Suppose line L is the common tangent of the touching circles. So, therefore, line L is perpendicular to segment AC. Line L is perpendicular to segment BC according to tangent theorem. That is, segment AC and BC are perpendicular to line L. Through point C, only one line is perpendicular which can be drawn. Therefore, point C, A and B are collinear point. That is, point C lies on line AB. Note, if the circles are touching externally, they are on the opposite side of the common tangent, and when they are touching internally, then they are on the same side of the circle. So this was the theorem on touching circle. Let's take one example. Now you can see the figure. If two circles touch externally, then show that the distance between their center is equal to the sum of their radii. Solution. Given is circle with center A and B touch each other externally. Here we get at the point T. Now to prove, we have to prove that AB is equal to AT plus BT. Proof. Here will prove that the center and the point of contact of touching circles are collinear according to property of touching circles. Okay, now we'll see further. We have to prove that they lies on the same line. So therefore, A dash T dash P. By the property of betweenness, we get AB is equal to AT plus TB. That is, AB is equal to AT plus BT. Now we'll take another example and we'll see internally. Now see, observe the figure, students. The figure I'll just put here. Example. Now you will find if two circles touch internally, then show that the distance between their center is equal to the difference of their radii are 8 and 3 respectively. Find the distance between their centers. Solution. Given is circle with centers A and B touch each other internally at point T. You can observe the figure here where you can find out they are the radii, that is AT and BT. They are the radii of the same circle where AT is given 8 and BT is given 3. To prove AB is equal to AT minus BT, and second the value of AB. Proof. The center and the point of contact of touching circles are collinear according to property of touching circle. A and B are the center of the circle touching internally and the point of contact is T, that is A dash B dash T. That is, the center of the smaller circle is between the center of the larger circle and the point of contact. So, AT is equal to AB plus BT, property of betweenness. Therefore, AB is equal to AT minus BT. Therefore, we will get here value of, we have substitute AT is equal to 8, BT is equal to 3. So, AB value we need to find. So, AT, let's substitute 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So, therefore, AB is equal to 5. Thank you.